This is a recording for the setting up the RC circuit, and so obviously you need a battery and a capacitor. Connect that in here. There we go. Okay, here when I put it on here, I'm going to make sure that the negative side of the capacitor is facing the negative side of the battery. Put a large resistance in here. And a switch. And then connect. And now I would be, ready to measure. And here, put the voltmeter on both sides of the capacitor. And now, oh, it's already a little charged. There's a very quick discharge. Just connect either side of the capacitor. It's quite discharged. Okay. Then turn this on, measure the time, measure the voltage every 10 seconds. And at this point I'm just going to use this as showing how the RC circuit is set up. I'm not actually going to take measurements. I'll stop this here for now. So this is what disconnect the battery, and in order to discharge it, connect across here, and then again turn it on and measure the voltage every 10 seconds as the capacitor is discharging. Then putting in the other capacitor just the same way, and here I'm going to quickly discharge this capacitor here completely, and maybe it shows up on the video that it really went down to 0.0. Again, make sure that the negative is facing the battery. And then, of course, do the same thing as before. Charge. And then when you're done taking the data, then taking measurements for two capacitors in parallel. So put them parallel to each other, but still in series with the resistor, and here hook up the voltmeter, and then of course for discharging again connect here. I don't know if I actually have enough pieces here to do that. Just barely. There we go. And then in series, and that negative is here, and connect everything again. The voltmeter would have to be connected from the net. So the only way to do that is this way, and charge, measure, and then discharge, measure. So they are the ones: single capacitor, parallax capacitor, and series capacitors. And each of them